Hello and welcome to Infinitude in this JavaScript Fundamental Series, which will be focusing for the complete beginners. In this tutorial series, you will know everything about JavaScript. What are we going to learn? We will be learning the ES6 features of the JavaScript and also refresh the ES5 features of JavaScript. What to expect from this tutorial? In this respective tutorial, we will start from covering the introduction of JavaScript, define data types, functions, and how to create modules, classes, and iterators. Also have some knowledge in the promises, maps, sets, and many more. And we will create project at the end of this tutorial series. Basically, we will use all the taught part from the tutorial series and work on creating respective projects. This will help you to understand more practically and engage your activity with JavaScript. In the next video, we will start from the introduction of JavaScript.